Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, back again with another grilling video, and I've got my Weber kettle right here. And within this video I'm going to show you the proper and safe way to clean a grill. Often people don't consider safety when they clean a grill, and that's super important because this brush is a safer grill brush, and you can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find where to order the brush, and then also the grill like I'm using online. But this is designed to be used while the grill is not hot, because these bristles are not metal. These bristles are a different material that still clean the grill, but if they inadvertently fall off, they're probably not as harmful as metal bristles. Because what a lot of people don't realize, especially older grill brushes that have been sitting out in the elements, the heat, the rain, everything, if those bristles break off while they're cleaning a grill, especially a grill that had been barbecued on and had that sugary thick barbecue sauce residue on the grates, it's possible for those little bristles from a metal grill brush to break off, remain stuck to the grill even though it seems like it was clean, and then when people cook on it, and you know, that metal could transfer to the chicken or the steak or whatever, and somebody could inadvertently ingest that metal, and if they swallowed it, that metal could get into their intestines or stomach or throat or whatever and become lodged and could potentially create serious medical issues. Now, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a lawyer, and I'm not a politician, but with that being said, let's go ahead and get this camera over here and I'll show you how I safely clean my grill. So the first thing you want to do is pop your lid off, and then using this brush, again, you can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find where to order it online. The grill's cool. Since I'm using this safer grill brush, you got to do it while the grill's cool, because if you did this with hot coals, this would probably melt. You don't want to do that. I use cast iron grate inserts. This would be the same if you were using the standard stainless steel inserts like come with this grill. And by the way, I've linked this brush and this grill within this video's description. But I just go over this very thoroughly. If you get a troublesome piece of stuff from a previous cook, you can use this tip and just kind of do it out there. And then for these, I just go back and forth. If you get something troublesome, you can use, and this isn't a bristle, this is solid metal type material, so you can use it to get the troublesome spots. But the most part of your cleaning, you're just going to go back and forth with your brush and you know, thoroughly clean your grill. Ultimately, when you fire your grill up for the next cook, the heat of the charcoal is probably going to remove some more, and you know, you don't want to cook on a grill that hasn't been properly cleaned. And for that reason, that's why I always do a very thorough job, and I wanted to post this video, the proper way to clean a grill, the safe and proper way to clean a grill, I should say. And you know, you can see it's not that difficult. It just takes time. You know, make it. What I usually do, I clean my grill the day after, and then you know, that way it's ready whenever I cook again, whether it's that day or you know, in the future. But with this brush, again, you want to clean your grill while it's cool, because you don't want to melt these bristles off. But I would definitely recommend this brush, because you know, the horror stories that I've heard, and again, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a lawyer, I'm not a politician, but the horror stories that I've heard about you know, people ingesting a piece of a metal grill brush, it's scary. I mean, some people, they were saying they had to have surgery, and you know, it could be potentially life-threatening, and you know, no meal is worth that risk. Well, now raw oysters on the half shell, you know, some people have gotten very sick from those. It seemed kind of rare, but that's a risk I'll take, because I love raw oysters on the half shell, but that has nothing to do with grill bristles. That's just one of those things that you eat. If you got a bad one, it could, you know, potentially be life-threatening. But I love my raw oysters. But yeah, so look at that, just a good clean grill. And then what I can do is I can pop out my cast iron grate insert. Usually what I'll do, I'll just leave it propped up like this, and then that way I can go ahead and see, I just tap this, and these coals from last night's cook, there's some that still have some pieces in them, so I'm going to put them to the side, and I'll reuse those as part of tonight's grilling some chicken breast tonight. But the ones that have already been burned up, just knock them down through. And the best part about this, one of the best things about this grill is to clean up. All I do is go back and forth with this little knob, and that dumps all the ash down below. And then all I do is pull this out, and I got my ash catcher. I just dump it over here. Boom, like a boss, dump it off. Ooh, I hope I didn't get ash on my camera. Oops. And then I can just stick this back in. This is my favorite grill on the market today, and like I said, you can find it linked within this video's description too. But that is how to safely and properly clean a grill. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe, ring that bell, and that'll notify you whenever I post another video. And check out all of my grilling and electric smoking videos too. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.